This is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to lead you through the process of setting up the parental controls for this device. Alrighty, to start off you need to open Settings, then enter the Google category over here. The next step is to make sure that no accounts are currently added, and well, there are no Google accounts linked to your system whatsoever. If you have any, as it is in my case, just remove them by tapping over here, then go in for the Manage Accounts on this device option, then open up the synchronization page for each account you have, and then remove account. Once this step is out of the way, we do not have any accounts currently linked, we can proceed with setting up the parental controls by tapping on the respective field over here, then Get Started, Child or Teen, Next, wait for this page to load a little. Alrighty, so in here you have to tap on the Add or Create Account for a Child button. If you have a Google account already prepared, just sign in. If not, create one. I myself have a Google account ready, so I'll enter the email address first, then obviously the password, which I will do off the screen. In here, click on Next. I agree. More, accept. Then choose the account that you have just signed into or created from the list. After that, start entering the credentials of parent's Google account or the account that will be used for the child's activity supervision. So that's also the account I already have on me. Already I've missed a character. Now it should work. Then I will also enter the password to the parent's account of the screen as well. So in here, scroll the page all the way down, and in order to confirm the account's linking procedure, enter the password to the child's Google account once again. After you've typed in the password, tap on the blue Agree button, then you'll get this little dialog window where you want to choose the Allow option. Then wait until two accounts get linked. Alright, so our accounts of the parent and child were successfully tied together. Now in here you can turn on or respectively turn off the apps that your child might have an access to. If you're not ready to do that yet, no worries, you can skip this step and absolutely do that later on. The same goes for the next page, which will grant us an opportunity to manage filters and content restrictions. So in here, if the device that is written in the bold font is the one that you would like to use for supervision, just tap on the Install Family Link blue button over here, and the needed app will get automatically downloaded to your parent's device. If not, you can always download this app for free manually, which I will show you how to do right now. So all the setup procedures were successfully finalized on child's end. Now it's time to take the parent's phone into our hands. Here I happen to have this little Oppo device. Then make sure that you have signed into the parent's account that you have used earlier while setting up the parental controls on the child's device. Then the next step is to download the free Family Link app. So let me do exactly that. Here it is. I'll tap on the green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and open the app, wait until it gets loaded. While launching the Family Link app for the first time, it might take a while, so be patient. If you cannot boot into the app and you're stuck on this little loading window with the app log on, just restart the phone, because my Oppo that I have is pretty bad, pretty crap phone, to be honest with you, so I honestly expect it to lag and not to load the app, which occurred to me numerous times before. I'll give it another chance and reopen it without restarting the system. If it will not deliver this time as well, I will have to reboot the device, as I've mentioned earlier. Yeah, already, so no luck. Let me quickly reboot my Oppo. Which I'm not exactly sure how it should be done, to be honest. Here it is. So just bear with me and we'll proceed in a few short moments. Alrighty, so now we'll give it another shot and see if Family Link app will load itself this time, which I'm honestly very much hoping for. Here it is, finally. So make sure that the account chosen over here is the one that we've earlier added as our supervisor's account, then continue as button. That's what you need to tap on. And in here we have our ZTE device. We can set up the daily limits for the smartphone usage, then set the downtime routine for our child, as well as set up the limits for app usage, as well as monitor the app activity over here. Then apply content restrictions if necessary, set parental controls for Play Store, for example, change account settings, and manage other devices that we have linked to our, little family over here. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as setting up the parental controls for this ZTE device goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.